So shoppers, this is this amazing looking intelligent toilet. Of course, it comes with the instruction manual here, the whole booklet. Then we have this cardboard. I need to cut the size of the pipe. Then it comes with this part here and this, the wire, this, and it has this whole remote set to it. These two items, and then you also have this here. That's the seat. It comes with the sensor. Looks great. Let me quickly install this and show it to you guys. Hello shoppers, this is how this amazing toilet seat looks. It is automatic. Let me show you how. Just walking in and it opens, and it has this sensor control, really great. We fixed the remote out here. You can use with that, and otherwise you can just press it and that seat automatically opens. And then if I press this, it automatically closes and flushes on its own. Really loved it. It does require the switch. You know, you have to have a plug-in for it, and of course it is connected with the water. And then this is the the remote. These are the functions. We also have the wash settings in it. Then the night light, that's the night light. And then we have all the other functions. Then we have the water temperature, air temperature, seat temperature. It actually heats up. And then we have the nozzle position and the water pressure. Great item. And you can also flush through this. This is how it flushes. And then we have the nozzle clean settings, nozzle thing. Then we have the nozzle position, up or down. And then we have the wash pressure. Overall, great quality. Really loved it. It's worth the price. If you like it, grab this soon.